I came to a gait workshop and I am so overwhelmed by the experience of the whole workshop. I'm overwhelmed by being able to do something that Cynthia or Carol said, and I can do it. I'm overwhelmed by being able to notice that I can stand different, that I can walk different, that I can sit different. I'm just so overwhelmed by how much little movements make a big deal, and how much my head doesn't weigh a ton anymore. I'm just grateful, and I'm just so glad that I did this. I jumped in with both feet, and I'm so happy that I did. And I'm Cheryl, and I'm so glad.